It is chanting Sadashiva Samarambham Anuswar Shankaracha Shankaracharya Madhyamam Anuswar Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Param. All four have got the Anuswar. There are some people Sadashiva Samarambham they say Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryanta Vande Guru Param. I can hear that Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Param. All four have got the Anuswar. 288.
Kadakasham mahakasha Divatmanam padatmani Vilapya kandabhavena Tushnim bhavasadamune
All sorrows of samsara begin from the identification with the gross body. And once you identify yourself with the gross body, what is that jivatva is cast. So I become the one who is identified. Who is jiva? How can you define jiva? We are all jivas, that is true. Are you jivas or Brahma? So, Brahma of course, but we mistake ourselves to be Jiva. We mistake ourselves to be Jiva. But how can you define Jiva? If you want to give an equation, gross body, subtle body, plus Chidabhasa. Causal body is taken for granted. Gross body, subtle body, causal body is taken for granted. Plus Chidabhasa. Because body by itself without the Sentiency cannot be the jiva. Dead body cannot be the jiva. Sentiency must be that. So that sentiency is provided by who? Chidabhasa. And where Chidabhasa is possible? Antakarana, Suksharira, Antakarana. So that permeates in the gross body. That is what jiva. So identification of the body in the gross body means you have to take for granted. So Suksha Sharira is there. In Suksha Sharira Antakarana, already what is there? Chidabhasa is there. And that Chidabhasa percolates where to gross body, and therefore inert gross body appears Sachetana, and we take it as I. So therefore, so now by pointing out how disgusting this body is, and this filthy body cannot be me. It is not possible. It can be me, Atma. So along with that identification with the Sukshma Sharira, Antakarana, subtle body also has to be discarded. From that standpoint now it says, Mune. See, after so much of study of Vivek Chudamani, you have got a name now. Mune. How come? See, the teacher is addressing the student as who? Muni. And I am sure all along you are attending with some French leaves here and there. So that is fine as well. So the one who has exposed to this much of teaching says, Mune Mananashila. One has done Shravana, and one who takes to reflection as to what Atma Swarupa is. So Mune says, Ghatakasham Mahakashe Jiva. An illustration is given how Suksha Sharira has to be, or Jiva Atma has to be merged in Paramatma. How Jiva Atma has to be merged in Paramatma. In the illustration is like this. Ghatakasham Mahakashe Iva. Just like merging, dissolving the part space in the total space. What is part space? Space conditioned by part. What is total space? Unconditioned space is total space. In fact, part space is nothing but total space. Ghatakasha is nothing but Mahakasha. But because of upadhi of pot, so this appears as separate space. One, let us say, 1 liter pot is that. It appears as what? 1 liter, and total space is what? Limitless space. Now, how that space became 1 liter? In fact, that pot cannot condition space. Space conditioned by pot. So the pot is limited as if the space is. So really space cannot be conditioned by what? You know why? Pot cannot condition space. Pot is in and through the space. Space provides the accommodation to the pot. Without pot, without space, there is no pot. So that's why Akasham is what? Asamantakasha means that which accommodates. Accommodate means what? Makes them exist, providing room for existence. Entire Jagat is abiding where? In space. Of course, space is also the part and parcel of Jagat, but apart from space, rest all the things, the Vayu, Agni, Prithvi, and all the effects of these accommodated where? In the space. So that will say, Ghatakasham Mahakashe Iva. Now, how you merge pot space in the total space? How? Break the pot. break the pot space merges there, that is fine. But suppose you are not supposed to break the pot, then Viveka. You have to take to Viveka that space is one and the same because of upadhi of pot space appears as though different from total space. So now it says, Ghatakasham Mahakashaiva Atmanam Paramatmani Akhanda Bhavena Vilapya. Atmanam, which Atmanam? Jiva Atmanam. Akhanda Bhavena, as non-different, as identical, where Paramatmani Vilapya. Vilapya means having merged by Viveka. Of course, when the subtle body gets disintegrated, actual Vilapana is there, but when subtle body is disintegrated, not at our will. For subtle body to get disintegrated, what is required? Mere jnana is not sufficient. Jnana and remaining prarabdha kshaya. Not only jnana but remaining prarabdha kshaya. So that is the actual vilapana. But earlier, discovering Jivatma Sarupa Atma free from Upadhi, which is identical with what? Paramatma. That is actually the Pravilapana. So that's why Atmanam, the Jivatmanam, Paramatmani, in Paramatma, which is Nirupadhika, Akhanda Bhavena Vilapya. So having merged, how? Akhanda Bhavena, no separation, identical, one and the same principle. That is Jivatma, free from Upadhi, is same as Paramatma, which is Nirupadhika in nature. So that says, then what happens? Mune sada tushnim bhava. Always be calm and composed. Tushnim means what? Quiet. Be quiet. When can you be quiet? To be quiet, what is necessary? When you have got something to be done, can you be quiet? Suppose after this you have got something very urgent thing. You will go on looking at the watch. ये कभी खत्म हो जाएगा और so tushti bhava, being quiet is possible when kartavyantara is not there. Something to be done is no agenda. When no agenda, everyone has got a long agenda. Every day, never ending agenda. When you have what agenda? When Purusharthas are there. When Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha have to be accomplished. What is that? Karma, something to be done. And something to be done is that this is that. Agenda is there or not? So now, he has discovered his Swarupa to be Paramatma. Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana is gained. Moksha is gained. There is agenda. Kartavyantara is not there. When it is not there, what? Tushni bhava. Already told. What he has told was Annadana Visarga 282. For a jnani who has got Nishtha, Jivan Mukta, except these there are nothing, no agenda. Annadana means eating. Visarga means evacuating. That also because body is there. He can't get away. Only because jnana is gained, body cannot be discarded. That is that. Otherwise, that agenda also is. Suppose he is totally absorbed in the Swarupa, even that agenda will not be there. Somebody maybe has to put forth effort to keep the body continuing as such. So that's why. So that will be Tushni Bhava. Tushni Bhava means Kartavyantara Abhava. Because there is no duty that is to be discharged. Remain quiet and comfort. Continuing.
Svaprakasham adhishthānam svayam bhūya satātmana brahmāṇḍamapi pindāṇḍam tyajya samalaphāṇḍavat. Anvaya satātmana adhishthānam swaprakāṣam
adhishthānam
satātmana swaprakāṣam adhishthānam swayam bhūya brahmāṇḍam api pindāṇḍam malabhāṇḍavat tyajyatam. Again, satātmana svaprakāṣam adhishthānam svayam bhūya brahmāṇḍam api pindāṇḍam malabhāṇḍavat tyajyatam.
Sadatmana Sat Swarupena, in one's own Swarupa, which is Sat Trikala Abhadita Vastu. What is that Sadatmana? Swaprakasham adhishthānam swayambhuya. Swayambhuya, having become oneself. Swayambhuya. What having become oneself? Swaprakasham adhishthānam. Adhishthānam, basis of entire Jagat including oneself. Which is Swaprakasham. Swaprakasham means Chaitanya Swarupam. Chaitanya Swarup. So this Swaprakasham. Swaprakasham means Swayam Jyoti, self-evident knowledge principle. Swaprakasham, Swayam Jyoti, Chaitanya Tattva. Swaprakasham, which is adhishthana, basis for everything. What do you mean by Swaprakasha? Chaitanya is basis for everything. What do you mean by that? Everything is what? Entire Jagat. How Chaitanya is basis for entire Jagat? If Chaitanya were not there, Jagat can't exist. How do you know Jagat? Jagat is there, how do you know? And now do you know Jagat is there? In sleep do you know Jagat is there? In sleep you don't know. Now you know. In dream you know or not? Dream Jagat is there? Yes. What makes a difference? Thoughts. So thoughts corresponding to Jagat give us the experience of the Jagat. In sleep, thoughts corresponding to Jagat is not there. You are not aware of the Jagat. So therefore what happens? Existence for Jagat is on account of thoughts. Now thoughts exist because of what? Chaitanya. Without Chaitanya, how can you be aware of thoughts? So therefore what is the basis of entire Jagat? And that Chaitanya is your Swarupa. See how great you are. Are you great or not? Why should you undermine that? You are the basis for entire Jagat, not you the body. That already told. If you take yourself body and you are the Pune ko bhejna padega. You know what is Pune? Earlier it was Thana, now it is Pune. Earlier, mental hospital was at Thane. They have shifted it to government mental hospital. They have shifted to Pune. Already this fellow is identity with the body, and now he says, I am the adhishthana of the Jagat. So they say, no, already monkey and took a pet, the end of it. So that was not like that. So add the Chaitanya, Adhishthana. Now see how great you are. Why should you undermine that? Somebody requested Ramana Maharshi, Swami, please bless me, comfort me, bestow grace on me. What is this? He said, this fellow was staying in ashram, exposing to some teaching, etc. He told, without grace, you would not have been here. Very fact that you had some grace, you are here. Like that. Don't think. If grace were, Bhagavan's grace were not there, you will never come anywhere near Vedanta. Leave aside Vedanta, you will nowhere near Vedanta. So that is what it is. So that is how. So without that, even that is also earned by you only. I told someone, he was always undermining himself. But he is interested. I said, all anusthana you did in the lifetime is paying you. Otherwise you can never hope anywhere near Vedanta. If you want to verify, you catch hold of one of your friends and bring him here. Catch him by the ear and bring. To oblige you will come. He will sit behind you, not in. Because कितना टाइम हो गया? How when this will be over? They can't. It's just impossible. Some grace is required. That you have got value for Vedanta, rest assured you have got grace. Sati Sai Baba said. These are devotees. Grace. If no grace like that, you will not come here to have darshan. The very fact that you are here to have darshan means you have some grace. It is not just like that accidentally, it is not possible. So that was it. So here, Swayam Anubhuya, Swaprakash, that you are so great. How you are great? Chaitanya Sarupa. You are the Adhishthana for Akhila Brahmanda, not one Brahmanda, all Brahmanda, Akhila Koti Brahmanda. But what a great damage. Why damage? Identification with the body. Would you like to continue? Which gives so much of love. Would you like to continue? But there are fascinating things. There are other fascinating things. And therefore what happens? Priority is lost. That but should be rebutted once for ever. It should be removed once for ever. So then it says, Swayam Bhuya, once of becoming there, is what you do. Brahmandam api pindandam malabhandavat tejyatam. Give up. Brahmanda, entire creation, along with Pindanda. Pindanda means our body. Microcosm. Brahmanda is macrocosm, Samashti. Brahmanda means entire sea. The Brahmanda wherein you and me are there is one. Like that innumerable Brahmandas are there. When puja etc. is done now, which kalpa etc. is told. Which manvantara, which kalpa, up to the day, tithi, it comes up to that. Means that is that time is specified. Time is not that what day and what time, and not that way. Time starts from where? The particular kalpa, the Brahmanda that you are on, then yuga, then samvatsara, then paksha, masa, paksha, then the tithi, all that it has to come. So that is, so pindanam malabhandava tyajyata. Give up like pot filled with filth. Mala means filth. Bhanda is pot, like a pot filled with filth. Pot filled with filth you can throw away. Can you throw away the body? And what is tyajyata? You know what is tyajyata? Na smaryata. Don't think of it. Will you think of something filthy? Even to think is disgusting, is it not? So when you don't think like this, not only Jagat Brahmanda, but also individual embodiment Pindanda, never think. In English there is a saying, out of mind is out of sight. That's all. Entire creation with the body, let it be out of your mind. You don't think of it. And when you don't think of it, is it possible to have tadatmya, identity in the body? No. So therefore, not tyajyata, give up, never think of this. Continuing.
Chidatmani sadanande deharudhamahanyam divesya lingamutsrujya kevalo avatarvada. Advaya deharudham ahandiyam sadanande chidatmani niveshya lingam utsrujya sarvada kevalaha bhava. Again, deharudham ahandiyam sadanande chidatmani niveshya lingam utsrujya sarvada kevalaha bhava.
Having given up identification, the gross body and subtle body, abide in your swarupa, true nature. Aham dhiyam. Aham dhi is what? Ahankara, notion of I-ness. What type of aham dhi it is? Deharudham. Rudham. Deharudham. Deharudham means prapta deham. Arudha is a peculiar word to translate. You know what is Arudha? Ashwarudha, mounting on the horse, riding on the horse. Here what riding and what mounting is there? That was Prapta. See, in Bhagavad Gita the word is that Yogarudha, Bhashikara gives the meaning Prapta Yoga. Yogarudha means so, Prapta Yoga. What is Prapta Yoga? One who has accomplished the yoga. And yoga is what? Dhyana, Samadhi, absorption of the mind in the Swarup. Now here, Deharudham aham dhyam means ahankara, that is identified with the gross body. Prapta deham, which has accomplished body means which has taken the body as I. So, ahankara, which has taken the body as I, where it is niveshya. depositing it, placing it where Sadanande Chidatmani, in Chaitanya Swarupa Atma, which is Sadananda, always Ananda Swarupa, free from what? Free from even the trace of sorrow. That's why Sadananda. Kadachitka Ananda, everyone has got. You know what is Kadachitka? At times, happy. Sadananda, always happy. Name is Sadananda. Fellow doesn't know what is Ananda. Sadananda is name. Sadananda is Ananda. Sadananda. These are names. That fellow doesn't know what is Ananda. All the time long face. You want to smile big, yes. I don't know what is lost if you smile. See, no. I'm studying Vedanta. Then better consult a psychiatrist. In fact, a Vedanta must be most humorous. He can laugh at the world, including the body. Nothing he can. Vyasa, so great. You should know the humor of Vyasa. Very most humorous person. They say, Kripanena samodata bhuvi kopina vidyate. There is no one as charitable as a miserly person. Can you imagine? There is no one as charitable. This Vyasa has told that one. Kripanena samodata bhuvi kopina vidyate. There is no charitable person as equal to a miserly person. Anashnan api vittani yakpare bhaprayachat. Anashnan api vittani yaha parebhya prayachati. Without enjoying for oneself, one's own wealth, stock barrel gives everything to others. Generally, who is a charitable person? Who has got lot of wealth, but he enjoys and sort of 10%, 15%, maximum 25% he gives, but 75% enjoys for oneself. But miserly person, 10% he gives. How come? When he dies, whatever, all wealth goes to others. This is Vyasa's humor, So, in fact, a Vedanti, if he has assimilated Atma-jnana, he can be the most humorous person. He can laugh at himself, herself. He can make fun of oneself. What is left lost there? Nothing is lost there. So that is there. So that is there. So this is Nivesha, where Sadamande, in the Anand, always Anand-Sarupa, Chidatmani, Chaitanya Sarupa, Atma, Nivesha means Adhaya, means, what you mean by Shivade? Never thinking of Ahankara, always making the mind absorbed in the Sarupa. And then Lingam Utsrujya, giving up Lingam. Earlier, identification with the Sthula Sharira, gross body was accomplished. Now, give up Lingam is what? No more identification with the Sukshma Sharira. Sarvada Kevalaha Bhava. Always become the one, you, Atma, and Atma alone. Kevala. Only you. Nothing other than you. What is that other than you? Upadhi. Stula Upadhi, Sushade. No more of them. They always get immersed in your soul. Continue.
यत्रैष जगदाभासः दर्पणान्तः पुरं यथा तद्ब्रह्माहमिति ज्ञात्वा कृतकृत्यो भविष्यति। अन्वय यथा दर्पणान्तः पुरं यत्र एषः जगदाभासः तत् ब्रह्म अहम् इति ज्ञात्वा कृतकृत्यः भविष्यति। अगेन यथा दर्पणान्तः पुरं यत्र एषः जगदाभासः तत् ब्रह्म अहम् इति ज्ञात्वा कृतकृत्यः भविष्यति।
Having known that Brahma, wherein this entire creation abides like the city in the mirror. Darpananta yatha darpananta puram. Puram, a city, a town, a place in the mirror. Have you seen? Suppose you take a big mirror and go to the terrace. Terrace, a 10-story building, and then what? Hold in such a way, all the buildings are the same. All you can see when in the mirror or not? Are they really in the mirror? Understood? Like that. Where does the creation abide? Creation abides in where? To begin with, in thought. Microphone is there. Microphone thought abides where? Chaitanya. Is it not? So therefore, what applies to one object applies to entire Jagat. To entire Jagat, corresponding thoughts abide where? In Chaitanya. Vishwam darpana drishyamana nagari tulyam. Vishwam darpana drishyamana nagari tulyam. It is like a nagari, a city seen in the mirror. Nijantargatam, abiding where? Nija. Nija means where? Atma Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa. Now you can understand how Jagat abides in Chaitanya. Without the thought of the Jagat, can you say Jagat exists? For you in sleep, Jagat doesn't exist. In waking and dream, it exists. Through the channels of what? Upadhi. What Upadhi? The Antakarna Vrittis. Where do they abide? Chaitanya. Entire Jagat abides where? In Chaitanya. Really it is there? How do you say really it is not there? What do you mean by real? That which exists all the time. Jagat doesn't exist all the time. Before creation it was not there. After destruction it is not there. In between appears to be there, it is not real. So that's what we say is what? It is like a city seen in the mirror. How long the city in the mirror will be there? So long as the reflection is truly it is not there. By that say, yatha darpanantam darpanantaha puram yatra, likewise, just as the reflection of city is seen in the mirror, similarly, yatra, the Chaitanya Sarupa Brahma, where Esha Jagadabhasa, this appearance of Jagat appears to be there, Tad Brahma, that Chaitanya Sarupa Brahma, Aham iti jnatva, having known that is as me, so Krita Krityaha Bhavishyati, you will become Krita Kritya. You know what is Krita Kritya? Who is Krita Kritya? Krityam Kritam Yena Sam. The one who has already accomplished what needs to be accomplished. One who has accomplished what needs to be accomplished. So what is to be accomplished? Purushartha. So all Purushartha has got moksha, nothing to be done. Krita Krita. That's why I say, Tushni Bhava. Be quiet, why nothing to be done. But what is necessary? Sakshatkara Atmajnana is necessary. Krita Krityaha Bhavishyati. Continuing.
Yasatyabhutam nijarupamadyam Chitadvayanandamarupamakriyam Tatetyamityavapurutsrujaitat Chairushavadveshamupasamamanah. First, note the sandhi. Third line. Mityavapuhu utsruja etat Chairushavat esham Vesham upasam atmanah. This is the sandhi. Now anvaya. Yat satya bhutam adyam chitadvayananda marupamakriyam tad nijarupam etya
Atmanah Upasam Vesham Shairushavat etat mityavapuhu utsruja. Again, yat satyabhutam adyam chidadvayanandamarupamakryam tad nijarupam etya atmanah upasam vesham shailushavat etat utsruja. Etat mityavapuhu utsruja. It means like this. Having directly known that Atma Swarupa, give up the embodiment, giving up the embodiment in terms of identification, for which an illustration is given like that of an actor. Actor assumes different roles, and according to the role he wears the costumes. Once the role is over, he throws away the costume. Is it not? So we are actors. Director is Parameshwara. Bhagavan is the director. We have to act. Actor acts according to which script? Whose script? Director is given. Actor has no choice about the script. He has to act best according to the script given by the director. So likewise, we are on the stage of Jagat Samsara. Director is Parameshwara, and we have to play a role. script is written by him only. Of course, according to your karma phalas, but script is written by him. So, act perfectly so that the director is so pleased and he will say, no more, not once more. Here difference is that in drama, if you act very well, once more, please. Here director will say, no more, very good. Means what? No return to the samsara at all. So, but you have to act very well. And what is that acting? Discovering your soul. Discovering your soul. Till then, we have to act. So, as per the script given by Paramahansa. What is to be done? Say, Nija Swarupam. Nija Rupam. Nija Rupam means one's own true nature, one's real nature. What is it? Yat Satya Bhutam. That it is Satya Swarupa, Trikala Abadhita, never born, never changes, never gets destroyed. Yat Satya Bhutam. Adyam. That which is there even before the creation. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asi. Atma Eva Idamagra Asi. Ekameva Advitiyam. Adyam Adau Bhavam. Even before creation it was there. Adyam. Adyam. What is it actually? Chit Advayanandam. Chaitanya Swarupa. Now, at least this much can you miss? You are Chaitanya Swarupa. You are Sachetana or Achetana. Buddhi-wise you may be Achetana, that is okay. But at least you are Buddhu, you know or not? I take it for granted, okay, you are Buddhu. But you know that you are Buddhu or not? That because of which you know a Buddha, that is Chaitanya. It is there in you or not? Can you deny it? No. No, it is not in me. That very denial shows that what? That Chaitanya is in you. So that is Chit and that is Advaya Anandam. It is Ananda Swarup. How can you verify that Chaitanya is Ananda Swarup? When you are very close to your Swarupa, not totally, very close to your Swarupa, sleep. Why close? Because you are not totally in it. Ajnana is still there. Now in sleep, what is your experience? Number one, it is totally free from sorrow or not, if at all you sleep. Is it not Ananda? After waking up, what is your recollection? I slept well, I slept happy. I am talking of a person who had deep sleep. I slept well, I slept happily. What is that happily? Ananda was there. So, now tell me, to what does this Ananda belong to? And no sorrows. Waking sorrows are there. Dream sorrows are there. Yes. In sleep, no sorrow. In waking, joy and sorrows are there. In dream, joy and sorrows are there. In sleep, only Ananda, happiness is there. No sorrow is there. That means what? Another thing. Are you there in sleep? Are you there in sleep? When you wake up, what do you say? I slept means what? Who is that I? I slept means you are remembering. Means one who has gone to sleep is different and one who remains No, to begin with. But you say I that means what? The one who was sleeping is the one who is remembering. Pratyabhijna, recollection. What does it show? You were verily asleep, though at that time you did not know. For that reason is that. Why did you not know? Ajnana was there. I didn't know anything including myself. That is what? Description of the sleep. I did not know anything in sleep including myself. But you knew, you experienced that you didn't know anything including yourself. Who is that? I, Atma. So therefore I say, Chit Advaya Ananda Rupam. So that is Ananda Rupam, free from sorrow. Rupam. See, this also shows sorrow belongs to Upadhi, and therefore sorrows are there in the waking and the dream. So, minimum Upadhi is there where in the sleep sorrows are not there. Gross and subtle bodies are not there, no sorrow. Only Karma Sharira is there, Ajnana is there, but Ananda is there. So, Arupam Akriyam. Tad Etya means that Swarupa Nija Rupam. Etya means Prapya. Prapya. What is Prapya? Having got means having accomplished. What is accomplishing? Sakshatkar. Aparokshanubhuti. Aparokshanubhava. Aparoksha jnana. Thereafter what you do? Atmanaha upaptam vesham utsvaja. Give up your this vesha. What is vesha means? This dress. Like what? Shailushavat. Shailusha means like an actor. What is that? Upaptam vesham. Upaptam vesham Shailushavat. Mithya Vasuhu. This false body which is like a costume donned by who? Actor, Givika. Givika means don't identify by Prarabdha totally let it get disintegrated. So in this manner, having given up the identification, directly discover your Swarupa. Continue.
Sarvatmana drishyamidam drishyaiva naivahamartha kshanikatva darshana janamyaham sarvamiti pratiti Utogamade Shanikasya Siddhe. Anvaya. Idam Drushyam Sarvatmana Drusha Eva Shanikatva Darshana Aham Artha Na Eva Aham Sarvam Janami Iti Pratiti Shanikasya Ahamadehe Kutaha Siddhe. Again, Idam Drushyam Sarvatmana Drusha Eva Shanikatva Darshana Ahamartha Na Eva Aham Sarvam Janami Iti Pratiti Shanikasya Ahamadehe Kutaha Siddhe.
In this verse, there are two aham. Two types of aham. One aham is the true I, Atma. Other aham is ahankar. We have to context-wise, we have to distinguish. Say, idam drishyam sarvatmana drishaya. See, look here. We forget Atma Swarupa because of what? Because of our preoccupation in Drishya Rupa Jagat. Is it not? Why are we preoccupied in Drishya Rupa Jagat? Because we have got a value for that. What type of value you have got? Three. One, it is Satyam, true. Second, it is Nityam. Third, it is Samichina. It is true. It is permanent, Nitya. It has got the capacity to give me happiness. If these three values are not there, you will be least interested in anything. You may not be listing them, but there deep down in the psyche these values are there. Because of samskaras or whatever it may be, you may not know also. Moment to discover that a thing is false, truly not. A thing is impermanent. A thing has no capacity to give me happiness. No force in the world can drag you to that object. When you go to the market, first what you do? Whatever you want to purchase, is it genuine or not? Asli or nakli, do you see or not? Because nowadays you have to be very careful. All nakli things only. So you find out asli or nakli. That is what you are satya. Then do you know how long it will last? It can't be nitya, but how long it will last? Nitya. Then will it give me what I want? Is it capable of giving me what I want? You see or not? If these three conditions are not fulfilled, you are not interested in that particular thing at all. Is it not? If that is the case, in life, we want to have something which is satya, not false. Something which is nitya, and something that will keep us always happy, totally free from sorrow. Where do we generally search for these things? Drishya Rupa. Now the author is going to show us Drishya Rupa Jagat cannot fulfill these three things that you want. How? Idam Drishyam Sarvatmana. By all means from whichever standpoint you account for it, by all means, Drusha eva is false. Sarvatmana. At gross level, subtle level, awful level. Whatever level it is, by all means, at any level, Drusha eva. False. What is false? That is truly not there, but appears to be there. How do you say the Jagat is false? He gives the reason. Kshanikatva darshana. Jagat is momentary in nature. Is the Jagat going to be permanent? Jayate gacchati. What goes? No, Swamiji is not so see all the time. At least I am so many years old, it was there. Acha. After 5 hours it won't be there. For some now itself it is not. When you sleep, where is Jagat? Every day it goes, every day it is born. Kshanikatva or not. Born, destroyed. born, destroyed. When you sleep, goes. That Mahapralaya is once in a while. But Nitya Pralaya is there or not? That's why I said. For some in the class also. If they sleep in the class, Swami's teaching is non-existent for that person. And the Swami is shouting at the top of the voice. Others started laughing then, oh, so got up. Did not. So that means Nitya Pralaya. How do you say it is Nitya? Kshanika. Momentary. Can you not verify this? Shankaracharya did not come and tell. Here. He gave a clue for you to verify. Jagat is Kshanika. If Jagat is Kshanika, how it can be Nitya? Come then, go, Vrisha. It is false in nature. Again, and that's why Ahamartha na eva. It is not Ahamartha means it is not true I, Atma Swarupa. You know why? I, Atma Swarupa, is all the time. All the time is what? Waking it is that, dream it is that, sleep it is that. Even this body goes, it continues to be. Even if next embodiment is taken, it is there. Past embodiment, it was there. So that's why. So the ever-existing I, Chaitanya Atma, cannot be Kshanika, Drishya, Rupa, Jagat. Understood? We see, other thing is there. We always know the Jagat. I know. But the one who knows I, does it cease to exist anytime? No. So therefore, Drishya Rupa Jagat cannot be me. Me always there. We will see.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्य परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ